Tonight we're running on the right track. I know we never gonna look back. Oh, I just wanna have a good time. Call me whatever, 'cause I'm up for anything like that. Oh no, we don't wanna do slow-mo, so tonight we just let go. To the beat in the streets, every freak out singing like la 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 la, la 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 la, la la la. Hey, I've got you on my mind. Yeah, you're all that I think about. You know you got me going wild. And what I want is you. Could you come a little closer? I want you by my side. And I'll try the best I can to make you feel this way.
Hi, chef.
Hi, how are you?
So guys, we are here with Chef Roberto Segura. We are in Tipsy Lion in Sofitel downtown. I'm super happy to be here today with you.
Thank you.
And
Thank you very
to
much.
cook something together. Let's get started.
Now we are going to do a TikTok because I really like it. All right, Rebecca. So we're gonna prepare the watermelon tartare. It's really easy. So we have the watermelon already compressed here with ponzu sauce. Now, Rebecca, you're gonna add sea salt to your taste.
Just okay.
I like to be salty. But
You like to
Up
eat
to you.
salty. Me a little bit, but it's fine.
Very good. So now we're gonna leave the tuna. You see? The tuna.
The tuna. Yeah.
We're gonna leave the watermelon on the side.
It's amazing.
And we're gonna cut the avocado.
Cut the avocado. All right. I like to use knife.
Now the time has come. We need to plate it. Okay?
Yeah, let's plate it. The base is
Avocado.
avocado. Avocado is very, very healthy and
Ooh.
how can I say? It's like a trend in Dubai. I mean, Dubai,
Wow.
Dubai is like, there are trends. Like for sometimes it's avocado, for sometimes it's meat,
Quinoa.
quinoa. Yeah,
Chia.
yeah. What's the trend now, chef?
The trend now is TikTok. The trend now in food is going back to Japanese. So it went back. It went to Peruvian, and then it turned into Korean a little bit, and now suddenly came back to Japanese. It's incredible. But now it's more like Japanese homegrown concepts, which is I believe is fantastic. It's a fantastic initiative because it gives the opportunity from Dubai to actually create concepts that can actually go outside Dubai at once. So it's a fantastic opportunity for us that we are here already to come up with concepts like this. For example, Tipsy Lion, which is a homegrown concept. As well with my company, RS Hospitality Consultants, we create different kind of concepts. We operate them as well.
All right.
Chef, did you try?
Yeah, chef.
Did you try the food before?
I didn't try the
plating it?
food.
Rule
Oh,
number
mamma
one.
mia.
Rule number one of the kitchen: you need to try the food before you put it on the plate.
You're right. Okay, I'm gonna.
Please let me help you.
Yes.
Open your mouth. So I'm gonna help you to put the final touch.
Okay.
Okay? Now you wanna
Yeah,
take it out?
can I do
Yes?
it?
Please,
Can I
please
do
go
it?
ahead, please.
Guys, this is, oh my god, this is really, really crucial.
Pickles.
Okay, I'm gonna do it.
%100% vegan. We put a lot of attention to the vegan community, not only in Tipsy Lion, but in all the concepts that we develop. Okay, Rebecca,
okay.
I'm not sure what I'm going to expect after this. You know, I didn't cook today, so if it's not nice, it's not my fault.
It's my fault. Okay, chef, buen appetito.
Well done. In my food, I always look for the change of textures in your mouth when you're eating something. So you have the soft from the avocado, you have the freshness from the watermelon, the crispiness from the crispy onion.
Yeah, I think it's very well balanced. I like it.
Very nice.
Great job.
All right, so Miss Femino, Miss Rebecca, we have the beef cut completely now. Thank you for cutting the beef.
I try my best.
So this is one of the signature dishes of Tipsy Lion. Talking about Tipsy Lion as well, we have many events going on during the week. We have Ladies' Night on Mondays. We have the brunch on Fridays, the Great British Brunch, which is a complete British selection. We have the Saturday and Sunday roast. And now for the Euro Cup, we are passing all the matches. We in general pass all the league matches.
And you can play over here, by the way. I saw some pool, table.
Yeah, correct, Rebecca. Yeah, you can play here. It's a very interactive place, very fun, super casual. So you can do whatever you want here. There is a pool table. There is a football table. Play with this part of the spoon, a spoonful of truffle. So we have a truffle, black truffle paste here, from the one and only Ital Touch.
It'll touch.
Yeah.
So let's say hello to Massimo.
Massimo, the truffle man.
Ciao, Massimo.
Ciao Massimo. Now I want you to add a little bit of olive oil on top,
Okay. Evo.
all around, olive oil. Now you're gonna torch it,
Oh.
but not too much, only a searing. Bravo. Now I'm gonna add black pepper. Now we're gonna add a sauce. There you go.
Chef, you are amazing. Guys, look at this. It's a piece of art.
You like it?
Of art.
Hard. Hard for Tipsy Lion. Rebecca, we have the beef carpaccio with truffle. Obviously, it doesn't look like a carpaccio, but that's the whole idea. If you notice, I don't like to cook things simple. They are simple, but you know, it has a twist in between. With that, I would like to invite everyone to come and try the food at Tipsy Lion. We have so many options. The burger is amazing, by the way. And play the games and have a selection of beers and just chill and relax and watch the game. It's the perfect place. I like it.
Super yummy. I think we were very generous with truffle.
Yeah,
No,
that was you.
Yeah, because I love truffle. But yeah, it's actually balanced because the crispiness and I can feel the beetroot a little bit and the touch of basil at the end. That's the cherry on top. We need to explore new flavors and the mix and match different flavors, colors. That's very interesting.
Very interesting. Thank you, Rebecca. Rebecca, come with me. I will show you something.
Okay, let's go.
Yeah, man.
Okay, guys, thank you so much for watching another vlog. Thank you, chef, for inviting me here. The food
Welcome.
was amazing.
It was amazing
We had
having you here.
fun, and I love it. I love everything. So come and visit Tipsy Lion.
And this is the big lion. So is Tipsy, going around the city. See you next time, guys. Thank you very much.
Bye.
So Rebecca, we have the okay. And
Stop. Cut.
why? It's not that bad. That's fine.
You can speak.
Wow.
You can speak now.